Section 5, our deck trim. We can include in our estimate fascia and a stair skirt board trim. So what that is, our fascia is just going to be this trim piece right here that's going to be on the underside of our deck. And this will be our stair stringer skirt board right here that will trim out the outside of our deck stringers. So if you want to include that in your estimate, select the material you want to use. Right now, once again, to add to this list or change the price or remove things from the list, just click this button, put in what trim you use, make sure you put the board width and the board length, and then the price of that. And then you can see we go back over, this has been added to the list and the price has been accordingly. Now this over here is where we select what sides we want just our fascia on. And this will take into consideration all three sides. Of all three sides are checked, right? Now, let's say this is just one section out of a bigger deck, and that you're going to have, let's say, there's going to be more deck over here. So you're not going to want trim here. All you have to do is uncheck this box, and you can see that it lowers the amount of trim that you need because you're not going to have fascia on this side. Now also, this takes into consideration how, your stair gap, right? So over here we said we had an opening here for stairs on this side of the deck. Now, so if we go down to our deck stairs and we say, right now we need 4 things of trim, but let's say our stairway width is 12 feet long, 144 inches. You can see that that's going to lower and say, hey, you need a less board because your stairways, you're not going to trim where you have stairways. You're going to have a riser though. So you can see how that made your riser and tread material go up. So that's it. Essentially just select your material and check where on the deck you want that fascia.